Hello, how are you? Are you fed up of having someone trying to bother you all the time? Trying to change your mood to bad, of course. Trying to put some evil energies over you, trying to influence you on bad things, or just annoying you? Yes, I know, it's time to say it's enough. So in this video I'm going to teach you a simple spell called the freezer spell. There's a lot of variations for this freezer spell, a freezer spell recipe, but this one I'm going to teach you is the one that had the best results for me. So I hope you will achieve the same results. It's really fast. By performing this spell, you are going to end the influence another person has over you. So by doing this, you will cut a link, you will cut the bonds that tie you together. So you will be free from them. For this spell, you are going to need a piece of paper, a pen, a freezer, something to burn the paper, like a lighter, some matches, some gasoline. No, please. A safe place to burn the paper. We don't want to start a fire all over the house here. Be careful, please. So to start, you are going to take this piece of paper and you're going to write on it the name of the person that bothers you, that annoys you. Who is this person? Remember Death Note? Did you watch Death Note? In the anime, the person gets a notebook, and when he writes the name of a person and visualize the face of this person, so the real name and the real face, the person dies. In this spell, there will be no death included, unfortunately. Now you're going to write your name over the person's name. By doing so, you state that this person has no influence over you anymore. You are the one in charge now. This person is not going to do any harm anymore. Now you freeze this piece of paper for 7 days. If you want to give a boost to this spell, you can start making it during the waxing moon, the first night. So you freeze the paper on the first night of the waxing moon. 7 days after, it will be the first night of the full moon. By doing so, your energy will grow with the energy of the moon, and the influence the person has over you will diminish, of course. So did you freeze the paper? Waited for 7 days? Now open the freezer and get the paper back. Burn it. Now smash all the ashes. And now blow everything away. That's it. See how easy it is? And it's super fast, it's only 7 days, but the procedures are very easy and very clear. So I hope you achieve the results, and please, if you did the spell or if you intend to do, leave a comment here telling me your experiences and your story. I'd love to hear it, and I reply to all comments. If you have some doubts too, please don't hesitate, ask me, I reply to everything. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. And now you will find on the link in the description and the comments, I have a Telegram group. In this Telegram group, I put some news, some articles, some videos. So if you want to join, you're welcome. Just click on the link and join. Thank you very much. So if you're still here, why don't you stay a little bit longer on this channel? Here you'll find a playlist with all the spells and studies I have already posted, of course. Here you'll find a playlist with all the Orphic hymns dedicated to the Greek goddesses. They work like prayers, so if you need to connect with some specific Greek goddess, you can use these hymns. And here you'll find a playlist with all the goddesses in general I have talked about. Thank you very much.